In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Drama Simulator in our standalone iOS Drama Mirror app. I can play around on this prototype either on a Mac or iOS device. Let's start with Mac by opening Simulator right in Drama. In Simulator, you can interact with your Drama prototype as if it were a working application. You can preview all your design's transitions, animations, drivers, and other features. In this case, I use magic drag to transition between scenes. The selected scene is considered a home scene, so every time you press the reset button in the simulator, it returns to the home scene. You can also change the simulator cursor here. Let's select Touch Cursor. And how about recording this interaction? No problem, just press this record button. Let's play around for a few seconds and then stop the recording. An export sheet appears where I can select video quality. The lowest quality is the actual screen recording, which can be saved immediately. For production purposes, of course, it's better to have the video rendered again in higher quality. This ensures that the exported video is totally smooth, even for very complicated prototypes. Finally, you can export the video with motion blur. Although that setting takes the longest to export, the final video will look great and super smooth. While the simulator is useful, how about testing the design directly on your iPhone or iPad? Our free iOS Drama Mirror app is available at the iOS App Store. I'll download and launch the app and follow the steps to connect the Drama Mirror and Drama Mac apps. Now I just need to ensure my Mac and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or via cable. When I click Mirror in the Drama Mac app toolbar, it shows my iPhone. Great, so let's connect. The prototype is now transferred to the iPhone, and Drama Mirror shows all the scenes. Let's select one. I can always return to the scene list by two-finger tapping anywhere on the screen. Let's tap a scene again to continue playing with the prototype. While the apps are connected, any change made in the Drama Mac app is automatically transferred to the Drama Mirror app. So when I change a scene color in Drama, it's immediately visible in Drama Mirror. The last prototype you viewed in Drama Mirror also remains on your iPhone or iPad, even when the apps are no longer connected. There are also alternative ways to get Drama document to your iOS device, via AirDrop or email. And then you can open the document manually. I'll show how by opening the Mail app. Someone sent an update to my prototype, so let's open the file and copy it to Drama Mirror. It will ask whether I want to replace my document, so let's tap Replace. And here it is, a new grayscale alternative document I received by email. And that's how to use Simulator and Drama Mirror. Thanks for watching.